welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Caroline and welcome. Okay, so today we are decorating for fall. I'm so excited. We're doing 3 separate spaces: my living room, my back patio, and my entryway. So stay tuned and enjoy.
When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love?
Okay, so this runner is from Z Gallery. I got it a couple years ago and I love it. It used to be on my dining table, but I'm going to go ahead and use it for this console table. Okay, so I have this basket. I don't even know where it's from. I've had it for years. I'm gonna go ahead and try and put this pillow in it to lift up, because I'm planning on trying to see how it looks if I put a pumpkin in here. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna put this pumpkin inside of it, and then I want to see how it looks when I put the other pumpkin. They're matching. I got these last year, I think, from Marshall's last year.
Will you call me back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known.
I feel like it looks cute. Okay, let's move on. I had these jars. I got them from Old Time Pottery a couple years ago.
Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your destination.
Okay, so this is the final look. I'm pretty happy with it. I think it looks cutesy, glam, and I don't know, I like it. So moving along, I think we'll start with my fireplace. Guys, I can't stand messy cooks. I'm the type of person, I cook and I clean as I go. I don't do that for decorating. And it drives me insane, but it's like, I've explained this before, it's like I'm like Picasso over here. I can't stop to clean. I'm like in my creative. I'm so dumb. All right, anyways. Okay, anywho. So I have this sign that I absolutely love, and I replaced that mirror with this sign. I have this garland that I like to use. I'll show you guys in a second. So, and here's part of my mess that I was going through for that over there. But anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Give me love, give me all your love.
I want the big pumpkins to show a little bit more, so I'm gonna use these risers to bring it up a little to see if I could see them better. Let's see.
Oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know.
Does that look better? Yeah. I mean, you can't really see the little one, but in person you can see it. See, this is my point of view, so you can see it. I think it looks good in person, at least.
What you do, hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes, you and me, yeah.
Okay, so I have the pillows that I got. I showed you guys in my fall haul I just got this year. I'm gonna just put these right here, super easy. love it so far. So now I'm gonna take this out and decorate here. Okay, so I have this vase. I wanna put it right there in that corner. So let's see what it looks like. I'm using this paper because if I just put it in, it'll just sink to the bottom, and I want it to kind of poke out. So I'm gonna put paper and a plastic bag, and then what I normally do is make like a little hole here to kind of have it sit. So that looks cute. I feel like it looks whimsical. Okay, I was trying the wood tray because, you know, wood is anyways, I'm gonna see if this one looks better. Yeah, I feel like that looks better.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like. About you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like. About you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me.
Okay, so spring is officially going to come down. We use this a lot during the fall and winter season because in Florida it's finally not 1,000 degrees, maybe it's 85. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this stuff out and decorate it.
Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you I like. About you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die.